Amla, Emblica officinalis, also known as Indian gooseberry, is a fruit tree with an extensive and long-standing history in ancient disciplines and holistic sciences, such as Ayurveda. It is indigenous to the Indian subcontinent and found in other regions of Asia. Although amla is used for several parts, the fruit, leaves, and root are associated with medicinal and nutritional properties. In this segment, we consider amla from a holistic overview, focusing on its applications in sports medicine, bodybuilding, and fat regulation in a modern context. Amla is considered a rich source of natural antioxidants with a naturally high ascorbic acid, vitamin C content. As a result, it is commonly regarded as an ancient superfood due to its edible fruit. Additionally, amla's nutritional composition is dense. Gul et al. 2022 state that amla is rich in antioxidants, including gallic acid, ascorbic acid, vitamin C, and phenolic compounds, which help support the body's immune system and digestion. Also, amla is comparatively rich in ascorbic acid, ranging from 193 to 720 milligrams per 100 grams in different sources. Approximately 100 grams of fresh amla fruit, or 2 to 3 pieces, may provide a daily source of natural ascorbic acid. They also state that natural amla juice contains more ascorbic acid than many other fruits, such as apples, limes, and pomegranates. Besides vitamin C, amla also contains vitamins A, B1, and E, along with calcium and iron. Due to amla's certain phytochemicals, it is associated with influencing the body's resilience to various stresses, and as a result, it is recognized as an adaptogenic agent. Chen et al. 2008 suggests that adaptogens are harmless herbs that have medicinal advantages due to their balancing, regulative, and tonic functions. This aligns with the holistic view of amla's therapeutic properties. We've previously examined other adaptogens, including ashwagandha, tulsi, and rhodiola rosea. To gain an understanding of amla's potential mechanisms, we examine the role of ascorbic acid, vitamin C, and its relationship with the body to consider why amla, being a natural source of ascorbic acid and other phytochemicals, offers certain medicinal advantages. Firstly, here we're not referring to synthetic vitamin C, but rather natural, whole food sources as part of a balanced approach. It is commonly recognized from reputable sources that ascorbic acid plays a significant role in digestive health, metabolic processes, and muscle development, making it especially relevant for bodybuilding. Its antioxidant properties support the immune system and a healthy gut, which is essential for proper nutrient absorption. Although a balanced diet is essential for optimum physiology, effective nutrient absorption is equally important, as our bodies are inherently equipped to manage digestion and nutrient uptake. However, modern food processing, dietary habits, and environmental stresses can significantly impact the gut behavior and subsequently reduce nutrient absorption. Sometimes the issue with deficiencies can be due to a lack of absorption, which may be influenced by several years of poor dietary habits. In the Ayurvedic context, this falls within the realm of digestion, where the digestive fire, Agni, plays a major role. In this respect, amla has traditionally been valued for its ability to support digestive health, thereby facilitating improved nutrient absorption, which can vary depending on the individual. Generally, this aspect is also important for muscle growth and vitality. It is also suggested that ascorbic acid may reduce cortisol levels, a stress hormone that, when elevated, can inhibit testosterone production in both men and women. Examining amla's natural phytochemical composition reveals a substantial one. Importantly, it is also a reflection of its whole composition, rather than reduced isolated compounds, which interact to create distinct medicinal actions in a matrix-like effect. Some of these include the fruit, leaf, and roots, which entail polyphenols, phenolic acids, flavonoids, tannins, and minerals, among others. For instance, ellagic acid, Gallic acid, and Ellagic acid all contribute to amla's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Amla is also considered to be a source of natural fiber and low in natural sugar. In this respect, amla is a low glycemic index food and therefore potentially helpful for diets that focus on low GI foods, all of which correlate with amla's potential in sports nutrition and fat regulation. We consider a study-based example by Rathore et al. 2025 found that amla extract significantly reduces visceral and subcutaneous fat, leading to improvements in body mass index and skeletal muscle mass among overweight individuals. Specifically, individuals experienced improvements in body mass index and skeletal muscle mass, highlighting amla's potential in weight management. Observations were based on 500 milligrams of amla extract, taken twice a day for 90 days, of a specific type. Further that, amla effectively decreased body age and various anthropometric parameters, for example, waist circumference, waist-to-hip ratio. This observation aligns with its traditional uses. So, how can one plant demonstrate potential in both muscle development and fat regulation? It seems somewhat contradictory. Let's explore this. For healthy adults, amla may facilitate both fat management and bodybuilding through several interconnected mechanisms because it is associated with influencing metabolic rates, fat oxidation, and providing energy for muscle development. Amla's antioxidant properties may help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation caused by intense training, thereby potentially influencing recovery and enhancing effective training sessions. Additionally, it may enhance the absorption of vital nutrients, essential for muscle growth and development. Its fiber content and low glycemic index may also help regulate appetite and stabilize blood sugar levels. This complex mechanism may influence body fat regulation without compromising muscle growth. Based on this, it may be a valuable element in achieving physiological fitness and general well-being. Subsequently, amla also has the potential to influence lipid profiles due to its phytochemical actions. Going back to Gallic et al. 2022, Amla phytochemicals can exert antioxidant activity by limiting the formation of oxidation products, increasing antioxidant status, and inducing our endogenous antioxidant defense system. This means that amla enhances the body's natural ability to combat oxidative stress while also providing its own antioxidant benefits. What also deserves mention from Goulet et al. 2022 is that the observation of 500 milligrams of amla extract twice a day for 3 months reduced high-sensitive C-reactive protein, CRP, total cholesterol, and LDL levels in obese individuals. In holistics, amla is also associated with cardioprotective, anti-inflammatory, neuroprotective, gastrointestinal protective, anti-diabetic, and anti-carcinogenic effects. Lastly, for healthy adults, amla suitability is a matter of individual needs and lifestyle. For example, an individual working towards muscle development, as opposed to one working towards improving dietary lipid levels, requires different approaches. Remember, a whole food is different from a concentrated extract. While amla offers significant therapeutic advantages, assessment is key, and dietary adjustments may enhance bioavailability. Concentrated extracts range from 250 to 500 milligrams per day for a limited duration. Organic sources are generally preferred for optimal quality, and a holistic dietary routine is typically recommended. Subject to individual suitability and individual health status.